In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export a file from AutoCAD to then be used in Photoshop. First off, in order to export the PDF at the desired scale, we need to ensure we are in paper space by clicking on a Layout tab in the bottom left corner of the drawing area to the right of the Model tab. Right-click on the Layout tab you desire to use, and then click on Edit Page Setup to select your desired paper size. After confirming your paper size selection, click on the viewport, which is the box surrounding your drawing. The viewport can be adjusted by gripping the size grips, moved with the move grip, and scaled with the scale grip. As an alternative, you can adjust the scale of your drawing by clicking on the Scale drop-down menu located in the right-hand corner. Sometimes once you adjust your scale in your viewport, the drawing may disappear from view. No worries, just click inside your viewport in order to maneuver and locate your drawing. Your file is now ready to be exported. Click on File, then Export to PDF. Select your paper size, and then click Save as PDF. Be sure to save it somewhere it's easily accessible, and now we're ready to move to Photoshop. Open Photoshop, select File, and then Open. Locate your PDF and select it. A pop-up menu will appear where you can adjust your image size, resolution, mode, and bit depth. After selecting OK, your PDF is now ready to be rendered in Photoshop.